What up, guys? It's me, your girl, Rozalynn. How is it going? It has been a minute, and I am here to tell you about an amazing company that I actually found. It is called the 10X system, and it is really revolutionizing the way you earn money online. Gone are the days where you're bringing 3 and hoping to get 3 free kind of situation. Now it's when you bring in 3, right? At $297. I know it says $247, but if you bring in 3 at $297, you're earning $891. And this is no downlines. This is no having to bug your friends and family. This system is completely done for you, as it says here. So you'll find the link on the bottom of this video. And as you see, it says it's completely done for you. So once you fill out the link, confirm your email, you're going to be taken to the sales page that's going to give you a little bit more information about the company. So it is founded by 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐷, or 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐬, however you want to count it. I call her Coach Tavi. She has been in this industry for a while, since she was 20, and she just became a millionaire, which is amazing. And her success method has been amazing. She created this system because there was so many people that wanted to make money but didn't know where to start. Didn't know how to get there, didn't know where to go. So she created the 10X system. So you'll be able to see a little bit about it with the video right here. So it's just one time, no monthly payments, no inventory, no hot mess. All the traffic you're going to get traffic sent to your website so you can resell the product. So basically the 10X system is a suite of discounted premium traffic services that you can use to automate any business, including this. So you purchase the system. So when you use the 10X traffic suite services to resell the membership, you'll earn $297 per sign up. So you're going to get a complete sign up sent 100% to you, complete automation, right? So when you become a 10X member of the 10X traffic suite services to resell the membership, you'll have access to discount billboard services, magazine publishing. So you'll be able to have, for example, she was able to get featured on all of these. So the CW, ABC, CBS, NBC. What's really cool is you'll have access to this too. And at a huge discount. When I'm telling you this is expensive, you're getting at a huge discount. So TV segments and more to build the authority of your brand needs. She also does, there's also a discount on Facebook ads, Google ads, a few other things in there. You can start even earning money by starting your own traffic agency. So you can create a business from this business. You can resell this, get your money back, and create a business with the traffic suite of services and starting your own traffic agency and reselling, outsourcing all the discounted traffic inside. So for example, you pay 10X, right? You pay $1,200 one time for Times Square in NYC. Since the market is at $1,500, you can earn $300 in profit. There's no monthly fees. There's no nothing. It's just one time $297. That's just an example. You're like, well, I don't want a traffic agency. That's fine. You don't have to have that. You can just purchase the system and get unlimited $297 commissions. So you can start, right? It takes 3 steps, purchase. So you click on the buy now, click our get access button. Below, you're going to secure your spot. Then you're going to get an email to activate everything. You'll be into a back office that has a complete training on everything that you need to know. Please make sure you follow that training. You'll also receive a welcome email from me with a packet. Shows you how to get started, how to get everything going. And then once you do that, you order traffic. So the traffic is really inexpensive. So buying the traffic gives you 60 days of clicks, and it's not bots. It's not nothing, right? It's actual people coming in and ordering. And then you just sit back and relax. It's completely done for you. And I wanted to show you this because it's amazing, right? So there's this, we have a group. This was my post, right? So we actually have a group on Facebook, the 10X system. It's a private group. I came in when it was literally 40 people, and this was back in, I want to say, September. So this is already a $500,000 company, $500,000 in commission paid. So what's really cool, as you can see, got my first sale while I was napping. If you earn $10,000, please report to this post. We just started. It is amazing. If you go here to the about, you'll see that they just started this 12 weeks ago. As of this video, November 10th, 2021, 12 weeks ago, you have people in here that are making $10,000, $10,000, homeschooling, boom, made money, right? And it's not just random people. You'll enter the rotator same day. So it's a rotating system. We're utilizing her and her brand. You have people that came in, over $5,900. $5,900? What? Are you serious? And these are people that have never made money online. April Skinner, she's actually literally became one of my good mentors. She's has just hit $30,000 in 10 weeks. And when I tell you she's a busy person, she's super busy. She has her own other companies, just like I do. I have 3 other companies that I run. I don't have time to sit on Facebook. I don't have time to post all over the place. I don't have time for that. That's what attracted me to the 10X system. So April Skinner, she made $30,000, and these people are barely even promoting. I'm telling you, it is amazing. We do training, we do all kinds of things in the group. So look, and it's funny because this is November 5th, and she's saying that we're just about to hit 1,500 members. It's crazy. And yet here it is, the 11th, and I'm over here telling you that we have 1,500 members. So we're growing, we're getting huge. And this is not you're just going to get in and hope to get paid. No, you get in, you get the traffic, and look at this, you're actually making money. And like I said, here's someone who actually took advantage of having an advertising agency. So if you want, you can create a second income from this as well. But you don't have to. You really don't have to. But just the fact that you see all these people saying, hey, I made money. Hey, I made money. Hey, I made money. I mean, these are actual people. So what's really great is when you're locked in with me, when you click the link and you join with me, I'm going to give you flyers, because if you're like, hey, I actually would like to promote this, because of course it's great getting money from traffic, but if you're a proactive person and want to make killer money, I'll give you a free flyer. I made these actually, right? So you'll have access to this flyer, but it's crazy that this system has been out here for just a little bit under a couple of months, and it's already helping individuals make that extra money. So what are you waiting for? Click that link, fill out your information below, join now, and let's make this money. Let's get this. So talk to you soon. Have a great day.